Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will explain the Microsoft Word, and in the upcoming videos I will explain the Excel, PowerPoint, how the beginner can use it and have at least a brief knowledge of its use. So Microsoft Word, what is Microsoft Word? It's an application program that allows you to create and verify documents like letters, your documents, your reports. It will allow you to have more options. If you open the Microsoft Word, you will be able to see this sort of interface in 2016 Microsoft Word. This is the outlook of how Microsoft Word looks like. In this, you have a ribbon which will be highlighting over here. This is a ribbon, and you have 9 tabs in this: file, home, insert, design, layout, references, mailing, review, view, help. And if we talk about the beginner purpose, a beginner user, you will see that he she should be familiar with file, home, insert, design, layout, and rest is to the more upgrade level. So this is the highlighted portion is known as the ribbon. This is in the home tab. The first option is the home tab. This will this a number of numerous commands is associated with this. You can include copying, pasting, formatting, aligning your paragraphs, and choosing document styles. Then if you further go to the insert option, you will be able to see your tables, shapes, cover pages, pictures, and chart. You can add more beauty to your document. If you come to the design, there is page borders in the right side, page color, watermark. You can also just select this text from here. Then in the layout option, you will be able to see the document, including margins, page orientation, the page width. If you have written any sort of document and you want to set its margin, you can just simply go here and you can just select the margin option. And then you have the orientation. It will allow in the more basic details of is in the coming portion. So in the view option, you have these helpful layouts: read mode, print mode, and web layout. You can zoom in and zoom out your text. You can just set your vertices. You can slide it to it. You can check the ruler, grid lines, and etc. Then in this format option, you have different sort of shapes. You have different sort of formatting. You have if you want to fill your text with different color, you can just select it from here, and you have certain different colors. You have quick access toolbar, right, located just below the ribbon. In quick access toolbar, you will be given the drop down arrow, and then you will just select the commands. To choose more commands, like more commands, command will be added to the quick access toolbar. So this is the quick access toolbar. You will be here familiar with the numerous commands. You can save it, undo it, redo it. Then you have, if you have any grammatical error, you can just simply check it from here. It will, the Microsoft Word will by default set your word correctly. Then you have the rulers. If you have the text written and you just want to have a certain uh, uh, left of the document, it will be more precise if you will use this ruler. Then the ruler count, it will where you can have the ruler count, just click the view tab, click the checkbox, let ruler show or hide the ruler. You can just check and uncheck the ruler box from here. Then you have, in the document views, you have three modes: real mode, print mode, and web mode. You can just select it from here, and you will be familiar with this. And then the insertion point, it's basically the point where you will be starting your text. Here, this is the cursor point. You can just write any sort of text and you will be able to see your text written. Then the insertion point, if you want to add a space, you can just simply press the space bar to add spaces. If you want to jump to the next line, you just simply click on the last letter character written, and then just press enter. You will be shifted, you will jump to the next line. Then if you want to check, click manually place the insertion point in the specific location. You can place your cursor anywhere in the document. Then if you want to select a text, just simply place your cursor before this first letter written, and then just drag it to the point where you want your text to be selected. and just select your text. Then you can add multiple features from here. And if you want to delete it, just simply press the backspace key, it will be deleted. If you want to copy and paste your text, so first you have to identify which letter or which character you want to copy. It could be a line, it could be a paragraph. So you just have to select it, as I have discussed earlier. Just select it, just simply press this button. You can also have the shortcut key, that is Control V. Just click it on it, and then just place your text wherever you want your text to be copied. This is known as the paste option. Here the text is pasted. Then if you want to cut and paste, you just have to repeat that step again. You have to select the text which you want your text to be cut. Then just simply use this button, and you can also use Control plus X for the cut. And then where you want to wish your text to be pasted, just simply paste it by Control V or that option, this option. Then how can you change your font? If you are using, if you have written any sort of text and you want to change your font, you can just simply select your text as I have discussed earlier. Just grab it. You can also select your text by just clicking Control A if you want to select all of your text. But if you want to select the specific portion, you can just select it as I have mentioned earlier. Then here you have multiple variety of languages, multiple variety of fonts. You can choose any sort of it, and you can apply to your text. Then changing the font size, right the next to the font, uh, you have the font size. Just simply select your text and just select which number you should want your text to be written. By default it's 12. Then if you want to, if you this is the same thing I have discussed earlier. Then if you want to change the font color, just simply select it, this color. You have also uh, an infinite number of colors. You can just simply can add any number of any color you want your text to be displayed. Then if you want to see here, first the color was black, and then I have changed it, it is now blue. So there is number of variety of colors. If you want to highlight your text, just simply grab your text which you want your text to be highlighted, then use this option. It will set your text to be yellow, and here you have also a number of colors, blue, etc, etc. You can just simply highlight it. If you want to bold, italic and underline, just select your text. You can also have these all options in one command. You can just simply apply this all options by simply clicking just once. So you can bold it, you can italic it, and you can underline it as well. You can change the alignment. Just simply select your text, and you can just left align it, right align it, or you can centralize it. Then you have a page orientation. In this page orientation, you can be you have two options, whether you want your text to be placed in an portrait mode or in the landscape mode. So just select it from here. Then you have the changing page size. If you want your size to be reduced, just select it from here, it will be reduced. Or if you want your page to be more increased, then you can select it from here. Then you have a backstage view. Just simply click the file option, and you will be you will be familiar with this interface. Then you can have the new document from here. You there is number of, it will show you the number of templates, which template you want to use. Then you have the navigate to backstage view here. Then you have two options, save and save as. And while you, if you want your document to be saved, just simply press Ctrl plus S. If not, you can have, you can just click over here, it will save your text. And if you want your text to rename it, so just click here, save as button. It will give you this your folder option. Enter your file document over here. For example, I have placed sample docs with the instruction of docx, which is the instruction of MS Word. Then you will save it. So this was all from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube for the upcoming content. So it will be MS Excel, PowerPoint and the multiple software which will be